welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ericka Denise. Today is gonna be a different type of video. I'm really excited. I love our shit back there, baby. Miss Bang. We're going on a road trip. Surprise for my little cousin. She knows now. But the whole surprise was that she lives in Florida, we live in Tennessee, and we're gonna meet up in Atlanta for the weekend. She's on spring break right now. Right now, we're getting an oil change so we can do this little 4-hour drive. We drove like 6 hours in traffic to get here. Probably check back in with y'all. Guys, we made it. There's Jordan going into the house. So we made it to Atlanta, y'all. We in the A. So if y'all don't know, I'm from Tennessee. I'm from Nashville, and we down here in Atlanta for the weekend. And I'm gonna give y'all a little tour.
What's up, y'all? What's up, MTV? You welcome to my crib.
Okay, y'all. So don't be looking at my appearance, because I just drove like 6 hours in traffic to get here. So this is the front door, and we're gonna just go on it. This is how I want it to be. Like these tops right here. I don't know if it's real like granite or whatever. But it's nice. This door leads to the backyard. Oh, another door though. Okay. Freaking patio out here. So we could just come back here and chill. In the whole big backyard. Should have brought a grill. Okay, let's just head back inside. We got a cute little double washer and dryer in here. An iron board iron. I'm gonna show you the guest bedroom first. This is where my little cousin will be staying. And here we are. Whatever. Just got some little towels laying on the bed first. Fresh clean towels. Is the master bedroom, which is me and Jordan's bedroom for the next 2 weeks. This is ours. This one has the TV. Oh, and yeah, he freaking has a PS4, and Jordan brought his. Like 6 freaking lights.
It hurts, sync stuff.
So this is the little like private toilet area. Look at the chandelier. Okay, anyways. Yeah, the his and hers. The Jack and Jill. And oh, what's in here, babe? Get in here.
Oh yeah, that's nice. They be watching the HGTV.
Oh my god, it's real nice, babe. Look in.
Oh, we go deeper.
Oh my, look how big this is. We're both in here right now, y'all.
Oh yeah, we gonna both be in.
Is that it? That's it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just refresh myself because I just drove, and we're gonna wait for my little cousin to get here. I don't think do anything exciting. Y'all be the first to know, so catch y'all later. Good morning, vlog. I'm looking freaking crazy. Oh my god. Okay. So yesterday my little cousin came, Nene, I was telling you about, right? I didn't even introduce you to her, and you didn't even see her. She came and we was just chilling, and I was like, you ain't even in the vlog, okay? This morning we already got up and went to Walmart, and you still even haven't seen us. So, okay, here we go. There she is, ta-da! So, y'all gonna see her for the rest of the day when we get all cute or whatever. But right now, I'm gonna make some breakfast. They got a freaking waffle maker, so I'm gonna let y'all see me do that. Okay, so this is what I'm making. I'm making some bacon, You know, you gotta get that great value, everything, you know. Pancakes. Well, I'm making waffles. And got the syrup. I left the eggs in the car. And luckily, this man has salt because I didn't bring any seasoning. And then we're gonna use this waffle maker right here. It says ready.
Oh my gosh, flip it, hurry up.
I'm like, what? And I tried to flip it earlier. So
Do not flip. You just open it.
I just turned it around.
You turned it around.
It's good.
Now how much do I just turn it back inside?
It's not done.
What? It say ready, don't it?
Yeah, I don't want to burn it. How do you take it out?
Open.
You trying to take it out now?
It says ready. Are we not supposed to take it out?
You go like this and then you...
So the flip is really for no reason.
No, to cook the other side. It just did it earlier. It's,
Ooh.
I told you it's not.
I mean, you said when it say ready.
It's not ready.
Do
This
say
ain't
ready.
this side is supposed to say ready.
No,
Put it back on.
earlier
That
this was
motherfucker
not
definitely
lit
say
up. It was
ready.
only on this side that was lit up.
And
My bitch is better than yours. My bitch is better than yours. My bitch is better than yours. My bitch is.
So, I mean, like I was telling Nene, Waffle House waffle maker be looking like this. So we gotta be making it right? It didn't burn or anything. It just it got really stuck. We don't have spray oil. We just have, I was gonna say liquid oil. It just has oil in the bottle. Okay. Nene's able. It was so good. This is the final result. I'm about to eat it. I just am busy. And then the final product. Okay, guys, I'm about to get ready. I'm about to get in the shower or whatever. So I'm in a rush. So I don't think a little get ready with me would be the best ideal thing right now. So I'm gonna get ready real quick and then I'm gonna let y'all see the finished product. And then we're gonna head somewhere. Okay guys, I'm all ready to go. It's my outfit. My blue Adidas bag. But we're about to go to the mall and I've never been to this mall. It's supposed to be like really big. It's supposed to be like 4 stories. So it should be exciting. Okay, guys, let's go to the freaking mall. My highlight is popping. I think you can like do the like test. Babe, you're gonna have to get in the vlog. You know I'm short, so I have to like hold it up.
So,
We're gonna have to find something to eat in a little bit.
real.
And oats. A Wendy's. like this part. I'm gonna get my nail like that next time. Okay guys, so this mall is freaking weird. It's got 4 levels like I told you. And now we're at some part of the mall where we're freaking outside and there's still shops and stuff like inside. So it's like a strip mall and a like regular mall. It's crazy. Crazy. Here at whatever the fuck this is. The main event entertainment. They have little stores and stuff too. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I took over her vlog, and I don't know where we are. Where we at? It's a pizza place and ice cream. Yes. I think Jordan is say something to the vlog. Okay guys, we're gearing up. So, this is the last day. It's gonna be the end of the vlog. We got in real late last night from the little event place. We have like 2 hours before we check out. I'm going to try to make some breakfast before we go. And I'm gonna catch y'all basically. Hey guys, so we just got our freaking scooters. No makeup today. And then they trying to sign in.